Hi, this is Kunal Madan from KMA Law Office, litigation expert. I have been getting several queries from my friend, from my business owners friends, and from my other friends who are having factories and who are having different kind of businesses, and they are asking for the opinion that they don't have any business right now. There is no cash flow, there is no sales, there is no operations right now during this lockdown. So, what they should do with their employees? So, here I am answering this question, and this, of course, is a difficult time. This is a national disaster, this is an epidemic. So, let's examine the questions of law and the practical solutions we can deal with this scenario. So, I have examined few notifications of the government, various governments, Maharashtra government, Delhi government, Noida government. And I have examined three acts. One is Epidemic Act, the other is National Disaster Act, and the third one is the Labor Laws, Industrial Dispute Act. There is no particular section or there is no particular law which really deals with this type of critical situation which have not arisen in the India during last 40, 50 or 60 years. So in Industrial Dispute Act, there is no mention of any provision which mandates you to make the payment of the employee during this lockdown. And the National Disaster Act obviously does not also speak about anything of this kind. And during the examination of Industrial Dispute Act, there is no specific mention of any such provision of such lockdowns and such kind of government notification during this pandemic. अभी फिर इसका practical solution, what is the practical solution and what is the way out? क्योंकि there are two notifications, one of the government of UP which mandates you to pay the full salary and not to cut the salary, and there has been advisory of Delhi government to pay the salaries and not to cut the salaries, and there are few notifications which are coming to pay and to not to cut the salaries. So, in such situation, in such examination, I think first of all you must during this time you must take your employees into your confidence. Tell them that this is your position, this is your financial position, this is a position of your office, and let's examine there can be two scenarios. The first scenario is that during this lockdown, your business is not affected. Like if you have a business of grocery, if you have a business of the pharma, and if you have a business of the medical kits or equipment or a hospital. So during this time, your business is not affected. So morally also, and as per the law also, if your employees are coming, working, or maybe working from home full time and supporting you, and if there are no effect of cash flows and your sales, you should pay them in full. And let's suppose there is another situation which deals with the fact there is an actual cash flow which is being reduced to a certain extent, or practically there is no sales during these conditions. So in such kind of conditions, you should take your employees into your confidence. This is step number one. Tell them this is your financial position. Tell them this is the actual position of your business, of your sales, of your cash flow, of your finances, and first propose the reduction of the salary during this lockdown period. And I think terminating anyone during this condition would be unethical, and it may give a rise to the industrial dispute, though which has not been obviously recorded in a specific section, but it may lead to the industrial dispute and you may have to bear the consequences. So एक चीज तो क्लियर है कि आपको निकालना नहीं है इस सिचुएशन में किसी को. दूसरी सिचुएशन है कि at this point of time, then you have to take your employee into the confidence. आप reduce कर सकते हैं उनकी salary, एंड लीगल प्रोविजंस इसमें कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, तो देयर इज वन वे आउट. You can obviously tell them that yes, this is now the amended terms of the employment during this time of the lockdown, or until unless your business is revived. You can do that arrangement for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and that amended terms of his or her employment would sustain uh, over and above the regular terms of employment. During, you can define a period. So I think this is a practical and uh, legal solution to your questions regarding the labor laws and regarding how to manage your finances and how to manage your employees regarding during this time of pandemic when there is no sales and no cash. I think this video would help you, and this video would further guide you what to do in these kind of situations. And if you have any other query regarding any other situation you are dealing with, legal situation you are dealing with, you can feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you so much.